Loki's gonna keep this fight focused on us, and that's what we need. Without him, these things can run wild. We've got Stark up top.
So, this all looks horrible.
I've seen worse.
Sorry.
No, we could use a little worse.
Stark, we got him.
Banner,
Just like you said.
tell him to suit up. I'm bringing the party to you.
I don't see how that's a party.
Dr. Banner. Now might be a really good time for you to get angry.
That's my secret, Captain. I'm always angry.
Hold on.
Send the rest.
Guys,
Alright, listen up. So we can close that portal up there, priorities complete. Wait, Martin, I want you on that roof. Eyes on everything. Call out patterns and strays. And Stark, you got the perimeter. Anything gets more than 3 blocks out, you turn it back or you turn it to ash. Thor, you gotta try and bottleneck that portal. Slow him down. You got the lightning. Light the bastards up. You and me, we stay here on the ground. We keep the fighting here. And Hulk? Smash.